Hey, what's up guys? Today I have something that I found during this weekend. Well, actually they got it from me from the back. If you're shopping on Target, you can look up on the app. It's gonna show you what is available, if it's available, of course. Sometimes it's not possible to order and go get it in the store. You have to request it to go get it in the back, or they're gonna put it in a shelf during the day. I don't know. The only thing it says it's at the store, but it's not ready for pick. It's not available for pickup. That being said, you can also get it from Big Bad Toy Store, another online store. Probably Amazon's gonna get it soon. Not sure if Walmart, my local Walmart, didn't get any of these vehicles anyhow. But they normally get a couple of them at Target, and if not the first time, they come up with a second wave, as they do for Land Shark. I saw a bunch of Land Shark, not so many Wind Rider. That being said, this is Stridor, the heroic armored war horse. Of course, I'm gonna unboxing it. Great artwork. We got Fisto, E-Man with the Stridor, Skeletor with Rotom. Never remember the name of the bird. Screech. Anyway, and clearly here we got Sunman. See now, new for 2022. Ready to play feature. Show you all how you're gonna be. One of the way you can display with the blast effect. Really cool figure. You're gonna have a look in the back, and then we're gonna do the unboxing, of course. Show you what comes with the same wave, more than less. We have also Terraclaw, Skeletor, and Flying Fisty Man coming out soon. We have, they show you actually how you can connect it to Grayskull. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that because I'm running out of space and I have already the other play set from PowerCon. So it might be an option. For now, I'm gonna display like as it is. You have an interchangeable helmet, which is cool. And it can be displayed like in a battle position, which is really cool. I like it. Really cool figure. Arthur in the back again. E-Man says one half War Horse, the other half War Machine. Stridor carry the heroes to Eternia to victory. Really cool figure, really good packaging. Bring a bunch of memories. That being said, let's go ahead and do the unboxing. That's it, guys. We open it, display, looks really cool. Few detail, this front post, and I think the base can't be disconnected once you install it. Don't quote me on that. That for sure. I'm sure. Like I said before, this base can be displayed as is or can be connected to Grayskull. Of course, it's really reminiscent of the vintage one, a lot actually, which is cool. But you got an extra possibility, a lot of possibility for the legs and feet. It looks really cool. Can display like sitting down or attacking or whatever you prefer. He has the gun that can be moved. The other one too, the tail too, of course, like the vintage one, and they got the 3 shooting effect, which are really cool. It also has keep under control because the savage horse, mechanic horse, that is commanding things. I don't recall how they call it in English. I do apologize. Other than that, it looks really cool. I like it, and I like the extra that come with. It's cool, looks like a dragon, like a medieval one. But we're gonna go for the vintage now. For a little comparison time, I decided to pull down from my collection the vintage one. As you can tell, there's a lot of reminiscence, like a lot, to the vintage one. But of course, you have more possibility. The sticker looks like a lot. Like I said, a lot of details similar, but of course, you get improvement with the possibility and everything. That being said, I really like him. I was very excited to find him. And that's it, guys. As always, I hope you like it. And let me know what you think about it. If you have one, or if you're planning to buy one, as always, thank you for watching. God bless you and God bless America. Bye-bye.